Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're opening a brand new box called War Panty Power. War is a euphemism for hormone week, shark week, ant flow, whatever you want to call it. Menstration. Let's just use the word menstration. That is exactly what War stands for. This company reached out to me and asked if they could send me a box in exchange for my honest review. So this will be 100% my honest review, but I did not pay for this box. The first part I want to review is actually my interaction with the company via email. I let them know because this box typically comes with pads or tampons or whatever you would need during hormone week. I let them know that I personally don't use those items. I use cups. Cups are better for the environment. So for me personally, I just choose not to use those products. So I let them know and they said, don't worry, we have a box just for you. We have a box that's just for that, and it's available on our website as well. So you can get a box with these items in it. You can also just get a monthly box with lifestyle items to spoil yourself. They said it's good if you have gone through menopause, if you're pregnant, so you obviously aren't using those items every single month, or if you're like me and that's just not your tool of choice during hormone week. So I'm over here, I'm in this group. That's the box that I'm gonna unbox today. But if you need those items delivered to your home monthly, this is another way to get it if you're over here on this side. I call that time of the month hormone week, or I call it Pier, like I shorten it. Oh, Pier wants chocolate. Like that's something that I just say. Those are the two names that I give it, but I did not know War was a name for it. All I know for sure is that there will be panties in this box and they're gonna be treats that you would want during hormone week. So very excited about that. I don't know what else comes in it. It's just other lifestyle, beauty, whatever items. I got my scissors thinking I was gonna open this, but I forgot. This actually came packaged in a padded flat rate envelope, so there is no sticker or label anywhere on the box. And first things first is we got a card. The card says, "Welcome to September box full of joy." So this is probably a box you could still get because it's the end of August when I'm filming this right now. Oh, we have what's in the box inside. So I'm gonna put that down for right now. Check out this super cute packaging though. It has like these little flowers, and also out here like it has these little flowers. Love it. Love that, so cute. I love it when things are packaged like extra cute. I already see so many treats right on top, and that would definitely be what I would need during that time. So I'm gonna hold up all the treats I can find. So this is what we got going on here. This, I always call this grandma candy. I don't know why, I just feel like this is what like your grandma would give you. And then this has a foreign language on it. I don't know what language it is, but in English underneath it, it says milk candy. And then we have these two. Don't know what these are. And Frito-Lay Munchies, cheddar cheese, but it's like Cheeto flavored crackers. Definitely you always like need salty things and sweet things during hormone week. At least I do. And I hate chocolate 99% of the time, but during that week, like everything needs to be covered in chocolate. So next, this is nice that they wrapped this in plastic because it's an oil, I think like to prevent any spillage. The first product is from Dirty Lamb and it is the Ultra Night Serum. It says hydrate and protect. I already own this serum. I purchased this serum in a FabFitFun sale. So we're gonna save this for a giveaway because it's unopened. And I think that'll be perfect because I do really like it. So I would love to pass it on for someone else to get to try it. Next I have, it's an exfoliating cleanser. It says Be Fine Food Skin Exfoliating Cleanser with brown sugar, sweet almond, and oats. It also says it's allergen-free, fragrance-free, paraben-free, and vegetarian proteins in it. So we're gonna put a little bit on the back of our hand. Ooh, it kind of comes out like honey. Like it really has the consistency of honey. You can see there's like no moving around. It's very thick. Oh, it just feels like a sugar scrub. This is really nice. This is very gentle. It kind of smells like honey too. It smells like the brown sugar probably. So it looks like we're gonna get a lot of skincare. So far, we have 2 skincare, a cleanser and a night serum, and now I have a skin brightening pumpkin mud mask. I love pumpkin, so I'm hoping this smells like pumpkin, but this is from Zion Health. It says it is skin brightening, and it's with French red clay. Oh my God. This smells so much like pumpkin. Okay, it kind of smells like coffee cake and pumpkin if coffee cake and pumpkin had a baby. That's what this scent smells like. Oh my gosh, that is so, so good. I'm so excited. Okay, it says it's vegan, so no sulfates, no parabens, and that it's gluten-free. Let's see if it has fragrance. I'm assuming to get that pumpkin scent, you have to have fragrance. So this mask does have fragrance. It says pumpkin crunch cake. That is like very close to pumpkin coffee cake. I feel like my nose is spot on right there. And pumpkin cheesecake. I don't know that I smelled cheesecake, but it says pumpkin crunch cake and pumpkin cheesecake fragrance. It's water-based. It has kaolin clay to like absorb. It has cocoa butter and shea butter. I do love those as moisturizing ingredients. It also has pumpkin pie filling. Pumpkin does have some enzymes that can help like clear the dead skin off of your face, and it has that French red clay in here. It also has turmeric. They couldn't have picked a better person to send that to. Some more skincare or body care or something. This one smells a lot like roses. I haven't even opened it yet. It says, okay, this is made in Los Angeles and Modern Skin Alchemy. Artisan skincare for body, soul, and peace of mind. I do like it when something like, I like anything that looks like this and that is like batch made somewhere, small batch made. So this is handcrafted in small batches, and it has like, the label has like little prints on it as if like somebody typed it up. I love that. It says delightfully romantic and refreshing floral and woodsy scents can be used on hair, body, or nails. Wow, that is really cool. And if you look at this bottle, it has roses, like rose petals. Fragrance free, it's all just based off of these extracts. Oh, this is quite a big dropper. I guess because you could use it for body too. How cool, a little flower came out with my oil. Like a little piece of flower actually came out with it. I was not expecting that. Ooh, it smells so rosy. It smells so rosy. I do like it. It's not your grandma kind of rose. It's not fake rose. It's like more of the natural, like if you're walking in a rose garden rose. Still not my favorite scent, but I can tolerate this so much better than like an artificially made rose scent. Okay, we found another little treat in there, and this also has a foreign country's writing all over it. So I don't know exactly what it is, but there are pictures of strawberries. So I'm assuming it's a strawberry hard candy. This next product, I actually swear by these. I give them to my friends all the time. My friend Cynthia is the one who gave them to me. And if you're a female, I feel like you could relate to like having this issue ever, but just like the feeling of like not being like completely refreshed. I don't know if that's the greatest word to use, but hopefully like the males that were watching this at the beginning are not still watching this and having me talk about lady parts. But this are like down there wipes. They're like good down there wipes, and they're biodegradable. They're plant-based, so they're also like sewer and septic safe because they break down so easily. I think they're perfect for travel, like traveling on a long plane or train or car ride. I literally use this afterwards immediately because I feel so disgusting getting off that plane, like every single time. So I always have this, and I always have, I don't remember what they are called for or dude wipes. I always have dude wipes, one for my hand and one for my face, because there is nothing like grosser than sitting in a plane for like 6 hours. I don't know. I just think like I always feel so disgusting by then. That's when I need to shower the most, and it's not always like I can't just get a shower right away where I land, wherever I'm landing. So I absolutely love these. They have always been a lifesaver to me. So yes, I already do love these. I'm glad they put those in there. I don't know if you get this every time. I get a box of 12, and I would say that it lasts me like 3 months. So Definitely this is a lot. Getting 5 is a lot. And the last thing that everyone gets, you do put your size in. They just asked me in the email what my size was, are panties. So this is the first one that I got, kind of like nude. This is actually perfect for wearing white. It looks like it's one of those no-show types. It's cool that it has like scalloped edges on the bottom, but it also looks like it's like a no-show just based on the material and like how thin it is everywhere. Actually, it says it right here. If I would have read the label, laser cut rib bikini, no lines. And then the second pair that they sent me are bright red, like so bright red. These are definitely a little bit more like, these are like practical and these are more like seductive, I would say. It also looks like it's no show just based on how it looks. And I would say, yeah, they're both like strong quality. None of these would actually be the types of candies that I would reach for during my hormone week. That's not saying that they aren't good for someone else. I think we all have different preferences, but everything else I think I really loved. The panties were great quality. The skincare all seems like great quality. This pumpkin mask smells amazing. We have our prices right here. For Dirty Lamb, this is $52. And then for this rose oil, body rose oil, is $40 for body and hair. The Be Fine exfoliator is $15. And then the pumpkin mud mask is $20. So I got 4 items, again, probably because I didn't get any of the other things. Then it says in this month's box. So I think this is specific to this month's box because at the top it says that. Good wipes, and it even has like hashtag good wipes. For this retail value, it says 8 to 25. I don't know if that means like individually they are 8 to 25 because I can't imagine these would both be $4, but I also can't imagine that they would both be $25. I don't know the exact price of these. I can try to look it up, but I don't even think this one has a brand name. Yeah, this one doesn't even have a brand name on it. So we're just gonna go with 8 to 25 there. I think I didn't even tell you guys the retail value. So total, you pay for the box $25.20. At least when I went to their website, that's what it looked like. And it does come monthly. And they promise 3 to 4 lifestyle items. That's these items. And then they also promise 15 period products, whether that's pads, tampons, or both. And I think you customize that when you sign up. Then 2 underwear and snacks. So this I think was just an added bonus this month, but if you go to their website, they actually talk about this. And then this one, they call it like their product of the month or featured gift of the month. So I feel like everybody would get this in their box no matter what. And they do say it that the products, the actual ones you use for the like Rose War part of Hormone Week, those are organic. So I do like that. I do like that about it because there are some that definitely are not the best for our bodies. One of the reasons why I switched to what I switched to. So the total retail value of my box, if I'm trying to calculate the wipes and not including the candy, but I'd probably add maybe like another $1 for that, is $129. For $25.20, that's actually really good. That's almost 5 times the value. And that's also if I gave the undies an $8 value. So it said 8 to 25, so I gave it its lowest value. For $25.20 for a box, that is 6 times the value of the box, right? Almost 6 times. 150 would be 6 times. That's actually a very big difference. I'm really impressed. Like really impressed with the total value. I really think you're getting your money's worth with this box. Would you be interested in a box like this? I think that there's just so much personal preference that goes on during that time of month. Like I said about the candy, even though I would be fine with both of these styles, like not everyone would be fine with this and not everyone would be fine with like this type of cut. They wouldn't like wear this. Let me know what you think, what your favorite item is in the box. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you guys next time. Bye.